This next section deals with adding when you have like denominators or subtracting. So in each of these cases, I don't need to worry about making the bottoms the same because they're already the same. What I need to remember is that even though I combine the tops, I still leave that same bottom. I don't combine them. So here, since each of them starts over 3x, my answer is also going to be over 3x. When I combine 16y and 8y, I get a total of 24y. Since it tells me to simplify fully, I want to check. The variables are different, so I can't do anything with them, but 24 and 3 do have a common factor. 3 goes into both of them. 3 goes into 24 8 times, so I'm left with 8y on top. 3 goes into 3 once, so I'm just left with a single x on bottom. For the second problem, again, we already have a common denominator of x minus 2. So we're going to combine the tops and leave them over that x minus 2. This 12x plus this 24x gives me a total of 36x. This negative 20 and this negative 52 combine to give me negative 72. Again, we should be looking to reduce or simplify if possible. Most of these are set up to simplify. In this case, if I see that on top the greatest common factor is 36, then I'll be left with on top 36x minus 2 over x minus 2. Those will cancel and just leave me with 36. You definitely want to try and factor. More often than not, something will cancel with these types of problems. Final one is going to undo what I just said and show you a case where nothing's really going to cancel. Here I keep that same common denominator. I started with a 12x. This negative would apply to any terms on top of this numerator. Since there's only a 12y, it only applies to that 12y. Then I still have plus this 4x and plus this 4y. When I combine like terms, 12x and 4x give me a total of 16x. Negative 12y and positive 4y give me a total of negative 8y. And there's no real way to make this into something that can reduce with y plus 2. Just to follow through and getting used to taking out greatest common factors, you might want to take an 8 out of the top. That would leave you with 2x minus y. But you would see that doesn't really cancel with anything on bottom. So this would be a fine answer, or this would be a fine answer. In general, though, you do want to make sure that if you see something that can be reduced, you reduce it.